to the student and faculty is that we have this amazing app to support all our academic needs. I'm sure everyone here uses IBB Mobile for students. Who does notice that, right? It's essential for our daily activities, to check schedules, to take attendance, and much more. As Professor Alexandria once said, this app was developed to make it easier for students to manage their academic and student affairs. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Honorable all English lecturers and honorable all participants. Today, I'm going to present and explore with you about the user experience of using IPB Mobile for students by analyzing it with the User Experience Questionnaire. We will share insights from focus group discussions, evaluate user satisfactions, and suggest improvements to better align the app with its original purpose. If you face similar frustrations, stay with us as we dive into the details. Before we get into the topic, allow me to introduce the authors behind this research paper at Malaka. My name is Aulia from TPL22 as the presenter. Also here with my partner Fadil Tariq and Najma Sabila. We also want to express our appreciation to our supervising lecturers, Miss Irma and Miss Ami, for their invaluable contributions. Without further ado, let's begin our presentation. The first is the introduction. As you know, technology plays a vital role in education, and mobile apps like IPB mobile application for students provide flexibility and easy access to academic resources. Our focus today is on IPB mobile application for students, a mobile app for enhancing the student experience at IPB University. Next, we will discuss the methodology. Let me explain the research stages. In this research, firstly, we conduct preliminary studies to identify key areas for research. Next, we do the FGD to gather user perspectives to focus on specific features. And after that, we conducted a UAG survey, processing and analyzing UAG data to identify strengths and weaknesses. Provided suggestions for improvement, I presented outcomes and proposed solutions for IPB mobile application for students on the finish stage. This study involved 55 participants from vocational students at IPB University in 2021. Purposive sampling was used for diverse representation. Focus group discussions were conducted with 6 students, gathering qualitative insights. This provided a strong base for the quantitative UIQ survey. In our study, 6 students were selected to participate in the FGD sessions, exploring key topics related to IPB mobile application for students. The questions focus on users' impressions, features that need improvement, and their experiences with the app. This helps us understand user concerns and identify areas for improvement. Our primary tool was the User Experience Questionnaire, or UAQ, which offers a comprehensive way to evaluate the product's usability and user satisfaction. The UAQ consists of 26 questions across 6 scales. The first is attractiveness, persuasivity, efficiency, dependability, stimulation, and novelty. These scales help assess various aspects of user experience, with ratings on a 7-point scale. A balanced structure ensures by its results. Next, user experience evaluation for the attendance chat and health center feature of the IPP app for students is outlined in the following discussions. The total sample size was 55 respondents, with about 92.7% from vocational schools. Most were fourth semester students, providing a comprehensive view of how different groups interact with IBB mobile application for students. The focus group discussion revealed 3 key features for evaluation, which is attendance, chat, and health center. These results guide further analysis, identifying primary user concerns and features for improvement. Next, the inconsistency tab identifies problematic patterns in UX responses. With 55 respondents, 16 were flagged for providing invalid responses. Inconsistency suggests respondents answered correctly or didn't understand the questions. Community guidelines recommend excluding responses with discrepancies greater than 3, with such inconsistencies highlighted in the red color. Next, reliability testing was conducted to ensure consistent and reliable results. Using Plus Alpha, all scales in the questionnaire achieved values above 0.7, indicating stable and trustworthy data. To evaluate the user experience, we also calculated the mean invariance from the UFQ. The mean represents the average responses, and variance shows how much data varies. Our results indicate positive impressions across most scales, suggesting a generally favorable user experience. This figure shows confidence intervals for three features: attendance, chat, and health center. It helps us understand variability and reliability in user responses. Next, the UIQ result shows that attendance scores highest in attractiveness 1.13, chat scores best in pragmatic 1.15, especially in persuasivity 1.3. Health center scores lower in pragmatic quality with its highest value in dependability 0.985. According to the UIQ benchmark, most scales in attendance, chat, and health center fall into the below average category, indicating room for improvement. Next, the research through UIQ compiled, analyzed, and resulted in solutions or recommendations for improvement. As we can see from the table, we provide recommendations for improvement in IBD mobile application for students. In the attendance, the problems related to address slow loading times and unreliable notifications. For the chat feature, due to its issue, we recommend enhance the UI and improve notification reliability. Suggestion based on UAQ. The attendance feature is suggested to improve attractiveness with clear notifications and optimized load times. Meanwhile, for the chat features, we suggest to address user education and stimulate platform switching with incentives. And the next, we're going to discuss the recommendation for the health center feature is to integrate with the mobile app to reduce delays and implement robust notification systems for clarity and confirmation. And for the suggestion, we implement response notification and improve user experience and reduce confusion. Conclusion of the overall presentation. The focus group discussions highlighted three key features: attendance, chat, and health center. Using the UIQ, we gained a detailed understanding of the user experience. While the app has strengths, especially in chat and attendance, the health center needs improvement. Overall, the user experience falls into the below average category. Continuous user feedback and iterative improvements are essential for enhancing the application. By focusing on user-centered design, developers can better meet the student needs. Finally, now we have reached the end of this presentation. I would like to say thank you to all of the audience members for the great enthusiasm and active participations. As we conclude this presentation, I would like to leave you with a quote by Alexander Fleming. Greatest discoveries often lie not in finding new things, but in seeing familiar things in new ways. So that's all from my presentation. I hope this presentation has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to learn more about the topics we have covered. I wish you all the best in your futures endeavors and hope to see you again in our next presentation.